Waturang sa kana matan itu. Wana Prime Minister no tabanu. Waturang sa kana Vanua. Nangkor barua. Wanangoni turang na ratu. Waturang sa katal nga nabi matambure dedere. Ra muresa kami nalakalong to kay nasingilib niko. Dosa kana kamu nang sa may lapet matamuni. Kamu nang sa sersakti kumay na nugulo man ikor ni buli. Werna kena velutaki. Kirna kena lingan di bengkarabi. Kamu nang sak sa inggal ngulob sakti ko. Ni lakalong to kay ya sa kumay na singilib nak niko. Sa kalib ni may maraw. Kin mami baka binibinak. Nyorasakan sila meningaw na menimay tigo na song bimbiin tinday. Nakasakabali mo na yalo ni Benanum kinakaway. Balmalap sa tigo na pasan ni Kamnang. Na Kamnang na inggal ngolo bakaturang. Sa tamsakan na matentu. Wana Prime Minister no tabanu. Ina Vanua. Nangkor barua. Wana ngon turanga na ratu. Asosor ratu.
Ini kau bicara menanga, lain kalau gelobi. Saya cuma na orni baru teko. Ketua Bedikai. Tahu lama pembelabu ani, wah bete. Enak tambah nama ramai bebo boleh. Wimni agorbo wangon elewa ina nando Vanua. Acara kemana Vanua? Windelnya buat turangan ni dari bermain agorbo wangon elewa ni sama ikio boli. Na orang ni boli ni baru tengok. Sama kerja nama tentu na ulni na belita ya presiden di nando Vanua. Delnya budara buat turangan ilalang besi. Yang turang balarati da awal so ulai bubu ni Vanua tahun robe. Kami tak jangan mendoa Vanua na batu, nangkor barua, amnia ratu na batu. Imam tengah bengkarabi na matentu na masyado, tepeli ni bengkarabi ba Prime Minister. Pinabale ba na nanumi me ba doria i ba rauni be ba turang tai, be indabai ba turang ba Vanua. Endua ni sama i ba buli di jo ina dorbo ngone lewa. Ni mai baru taiki na orang bulungo. Mana yau tu ni nomni mbula. Ini suayani. Yau ni nomni bengkarabi. Muni rawani na bengkarabi. Ratalani ni dingoma bengkarabi. Jadi dingoma lo bete lo malangi buat teman tersare dari sarra. Non ralo orang tengkase. Nonta lo nungo lo tau tumbu tau mundo na non lo telnga we tambangau na ramur chumai ni lo ngata dorbo nungo nelewa ni baro te ji lo ngator tua abeng gravi tu maru te ina lo bon non to da ni reida amai sole no ni bol kroi ni raw a ni suayani erto no baridi amni tu ani salah yang abuli salah ibua sesan. Non cuma ya badengu di laut tu nangka. Rawa bina cuan di tabi sini uah. Dari cuma ina low non delilu batakar itu mana. Dena.
Alu buat jawan yang mana baturang. Amna sa serba turang cuma ina indalnya utamu ni sajo rawa na mata binan dua sa ale baba binina na bun amunanga do sampai partir sabat lamber cilangi wata manta sa tambong so mano na biba along atai ja ngone Da lo ngata batacio, alo ngata cio turanga liu ni moseado turanga prime minister no Vanua. Non da batacio lo mani alo, da lo tuwa alwa indine meran dera hota cio nai alo no timbulan de liu tamu cio mentang coba. Mana? Indina amundo. Go. Na balik usara. Na.
Wakaturanga sakti ina matentu wana prime minister non Vanua. Waturang saka ina Vanua ina ngorbarua wana ngonturanga na ratu. Waturanga saka ina be matamburi dedere ra muria sakti kumai ena laku-laku tokai ena singa binakan kuah. Dosa kena damron sa no saktawada. Saya sebu sakti ko ni korbuli. Sebu sa ser sakti kumai. Verna lilu ni korbuli. Verna kena bilutaki. Kerna kena lingan ni bingarabi. Kerna sosobo keviti. Erdab sakamaya na sana tin kawan non Vanua. Ermaitiko na korni be bakrutaki. Montfort. Sakalew na marau. Kena baka binaka, ena nomni maiti ko na singal binakan ko. Kemami ba binaksaka na nomni dingoma, na ker malum. Ya do sakti ko ani, ena nomni tebel ni bingarabi. Rere itu sakambe ka so na nomni tuba. Iya ni araw ni sir sakamai, moni maiti ko na singai dai. Kimami kere na numni be busuti. Retu sakambe kasona ni mami buki. Empaleta se saksaka. Sa kere sakin numni be busuti. Balom sakti kuna bos nianggona. Sa tam sakan ina matentu. Buana prime minister non Vanua. Ina Vanua. Ina korbarua. Wana ngonturang ana ratu. Gas sosor ratu.
Rajo yang kona sa ser baturang cio na laman bagi aku. Juga ana habilitai. Agora sa bato ito may isip-sip. Nabu ni no sa bato turang halulun ni moseado, turang halulun matentuan na sigla pinay. Sa lambit na Vanua, ulun ni bilutai ni no Vanua. Lalang kabesi ay suula birangon turang balet tilao. Inamatin atu binabatu inang korbarua birangon turang ratu. Sa ali baba bina na sigla pinay dua. Nanum dumay. Pada morci indo ay isip-sip turang. Ela sigla Vanua. Salve lagi mo teman sa tabong. So mumano na biba alungata. Indo alungata cio ako uli. Alungata ira rabelutai ni oruli. Alungata bata cio, bata cio lolo man alo. Dalo tu alo ba indin meran tarota cio nai alo non bulan dalilu tabu tu na cio. Mana? Hey, Lina, amdo. Wo. Nah. saya korban turanga. Wah itu dah korban turanga. Angiti, abudo. Go. Nah, tak boleh.
For performing the rich traditional welcome ceremony. It has enlivened our day, making us proud of our tradition, heritage, and cultural background. It was overwhelming indeed. I believe the blessings of this glorious occasion is an attribute to God's divine love and blessings. And as the Holy Scripture says, with God all things are possible. In this respect, I request each and everyone to rise up and turn our hearts to God in prayer with the singing of the Montfort hymn. Pinaka.
Glory to thee, Montfort, the loving preacher of Jesus' cross and Mary's rosary. The love of God and of his holy mother, both in thy heart found a fair sanctuary. The early thoughts of Montfort were for Mary, and in her love
Please all be seated. Thank you. For the official welcome address, may I request the Mayor of Montfort Technical Institute, Luku Rawalai, for the presentation.
Good morning to you all. On behalf of our brother director, brothers, members of the staff, graduates of 2024 and other trainees, I would like to extend a warm and cordial welcome to you. Honorable Mr. Sitiveni Rabuka, Prime Minister of Fiji, Chief Guest of our August Assembly of Graduation Ceremony 2025. Sir, we are indeed privileged and delighted to have you with us on this memorable morning. Thank you, sir. A very special welcome to all educational personnel from various government ministries, schools, and other institutions. We also warmly welcome our distinguished guests from the governmental, provincial, non-governmental organizations, priests, and religious of the Archdiocese of Suva, ministers of churches, village chiefs and heads, principals of schools, our benefactors, sponsors, friends, and well-wishers. With tremendous joy and pride, we welcome lovingly our parents, kith and kin, and all our relatives who have gathered here this morning to cheer and support us. We would like to extend once again our cordial welcome to you all for encouraging and tangible presence with us on this auspicious occasion. Thank you all.
Pinakapaka Levu, and thank you so much, Mr. Rawalai, for your warm words of welcome. It has already made us feel comfortable and at ease. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor this morning to introduce our chief guest for the occasion. Our chief guest, the Honorable Sitiveni Rabuka, was elected Prime Minister of Fiji on the floor of this Parliament on 24th December 2022, following the country's general elections 10 days earlier. He became Fiji's 7th elected Prime Minister, but the first to be elected in Parliament. He is the first elected leader to serve twice in the high office since independence from the United Kingdom in 1970. He first served as Prime Minister of Fiji for 7 years between 1992 and 1999, having served earlier as co-deputy Prime Minister with the late Mr. Josefa Takamikamida in the interim government of the late Prime Minister Ratu Sekami Sesemara from 1991 to 1992. Our Prime Minister hails from the village of Nrekinwai, in the village of district of Navatu in the province of Levu, located on Fiji's second largest island, Vanua, Levu. In the north of the country, he was born in the Levu and completed his intermediate education in Levu, which was the then provincial school northern in the island of Taveuni. He was accepted into the prestigious Kuniptori School, located on Fiji's main island of Levu in the northern eastern province of Levu. In sports, he excelled, donning the school colors in athletics, cricket, hockey, and rugby union. He was elected head prefect in his final year at QVS in 1967. He then joined the Philippine Military Forces, where he retired as a Major General 23 years later. In 1987 to 1991, he was the commander of the Royal Fiji Military Forces. And among the leadership roles he assumed, he rose up as the commanding officer of the Fiji Battalion with the United Nations Interim Forces in Lebanon, UNIFIL, from 1980 to 1981. He was the Chief of Staff for the RFMF in 1981 to 1982, commanding officer of the Fiji Battalion with the MFO force in Sanai, 1983 to 1985. He was also a senior officer at the SO1 Operations and Training RFMF headquarters in 1985 to 1987. He trained at the New Zealand Army School in Waiouru in 1968, India's Defence Service Staff College in 1979, and the Australian Joint Service Staff College in Canberra in 1982. His military secondments included the New Zealand Army in 1972 and 1973, and the 6th Queen Elizabeth-owned Gurkha Rifles, the 3rd Regiment Royal Horse Artillery, and the 48th Infantry Brigade, HQ at Sekok Kong Military Camp at British Army in Hong Kong, Hong Kong's Northern Territories in 1974. His exceptional bravery in Lebanon was recognized in 1980 for rescuing a senior French officer while under hostile enemy fire, and earned him the Distinguished Legion d'Honneur third class. He was later upgraded to 2nd class of Grande Officer by the then French President Jacques Chirac in 1997. He was also honored with the Order of the British Empire, the OBE Military Division, Officer of the Order of St. John, and Meritorious Service Decoration as a Commissioned Officer of the Fiji Military Forces. He holds a master's degree in military science from Madras University in India in 1979, and an honorary doctorate from the Central Queensland University in 1998. He was selected into Fiji's national rugby team from 1970 to 1977. He also represented his country in athletics and the South Pacific Games in 1971, where he was the team captain and flag bearer. He performed the dual roles again in 1974 at the Commonwealth Games in Christchurch, New Zealand. Not only did he serve as Deputy Prime Minister during the year 1991 and 1992, and Prime Minister 1992 and 1999, he also assumed high-profile roles as the Commonwealth Secretary General's Special Envoy in the Solomons in 1999 to 2000. Chairman of Fiji's Great Council of Chiefs in 1999 to 2001. Was the chairman of the Kaunrava Provincial Council in the year 2001 to 2009. Was also the chairman of the Kaunrava Provincial Holding Council Limited and the leader of opposition November 2018 to December 2020. Following Fiji's political upheavals in 2000 and again in 2006, Mr. Rabuka did not contest any general election until November 2018 as leader of Social Democratic Liberal Party. When he resigned as leader of opposition in December 2020, he went on to form a new political party in September 2021 called the People's Alliance, which won 21 seats in the 55-seat parliament. With the ruling Fiji First Party unable to win an outright majority, Mr. Rabuka's People Alliance was catapulted to national leadership with the support of its coalition partners, the National Federation Party, which won 5 seats, and Sodalpas with 3 seats. Mr. Rabuka is married to a retired school teacher, Mrs. Sulueti Tuiloma Rabuka. They all together have 2 daughters, 2 sons, and 7 grandchildren, and 5 great-grandchildren. So that's all for our chief guest this morning. And without further ado, may I now request our chief guest for the official address of the day. Vinaka.
Ubuna, orang curang hati tambah bersama kenal mati betul tua. Saya lepas apa bina ada sebenarnya gua. Santo saya mau seterate untuk curang. Saya ada siap-siap curang prime minister ini realisasi apa betul curang saya boleh makan lagi gua. Karena uni Begitu sudah siapa di Turanga. Saya dah. Saya bawa orang Mina. Ada sebenarnya. Saya minta itu di tahun ko mangkona. Ay susibu. Sa serba Turanga coba na mati itu. Na lulu ko sa Turanga. Prime Minister sa Vanua. Ira ba lislesi. Rasa curawa na siya na Vanua. Sa minta itu di na ko na mata lama. Na Vanua sa mata na ina na mati itu na orbuli. Ni baru tayo ang susura daw.
Yeah. Di ko biba kuna. Kuna ba kuna na isip-isip ba ka? Mara isip-isip ba ang ko siya. Kuna ba nila. Bawal mata na sabihan siya. Kung isip-isip mo ko pa isip sa. Ang dito ba yung ako kuna? Ano sila niyo abo para pala ito si. Ano ko na kuna nga. Vanua. Ako kung naisip na kulit-kulit, di marunga di Montfort Technical Institute na yung direkta prasa ako po. Pero kung hindi lang baka, ako ulit buki, na hindi marunga yung mga buki ang Montfort na baka ulit. Wala ito mga kumain na madalalibuan, mga marami. Makanya masih juga ramai orang ada dua. Sekarang di rumah lagi sebuah rumah lagi dulu. Nah, sebuah orang harus menjual. Rumah ada dulu baru. Rumah ada lain, baru ada arah sesuatu yang berbunyi. Rumah ada rumah mereka. Kalau kita sesuai di dalam. Nah, sebuah rumah boleh. Sekarang di rumah lagi. Sebuah rumah lagi dulu. Sini gua, tapi bila awal, tapi untuk gua Kristo, kita boleh berbesar untuk syarat itu mana? Dina, amdo. Oh, sudah.
Members of Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel, the principal, teachers and staff, parents and guardians, ladies and gentlemen. Most importantly, graduating students. Good morning to you all. Levu na turangan maramay tumtumbu, na turangan ni Vanua. Yung nandaw ni Bitokon. Dati ko, Levu na matang ni Kuha, may grabe na rasongo ni Solibola na Zaurbo. Talaga naman nila, si Zaurbo nga ni Kuha. Oo, nga nila talaga. Dapat binuna ko Levu wikim ni, yan naman ni Bitokon yan naman rubuli. We all acknowledge the traditional owners and the custodians of the land on which we gather today. Levu inabesi, turang tinuway ito Levu. Tlakin na turang Savusavu, turang Vanua. We pay our respects to their chiefs, past, present, and emerging, and members of the Vanua, some of whom may be with us this morning. It's a great honor for me to be here. And I thank you for changing your program. I believe the original day was yesterday. It was yesterday. I couldn't make it because Parliament is in session. We have another week to go, but we managed to squeeze in some time this morning. And I just managed to get here, although I was late. I asked my friend Thakur Gulabdas to convey my apologies that I was running a little late. I have to immediately leave and go back and fly all the way to Nandi for another function tonight. So I hope you will bear with me if I do not stay the full program for this morning, because I have another visit in Savusavu before I go back to Labasa. But it is an honor to be here today at Montfort Technical Institute to celebrate this very important achievement in the lives of our young graduates. You heard the introduction from the Master of Ceremonies this morning about me. You heard about all the things I had done. He did not mention that I failed my last examination at secondary school. A few years ago, or a few years into the first government that I led in 1990s, the Minister for Education wanted to introduce a government policy on how we look after school dropouts. We had a very long discussion in our caucus, and after about 45 minutes of discussions, the Minister of Education, who was my teacher at school, turned around to me and said, Prime Minister, you have not said anything. I said, oh, sorry, I'm not here. I've not been listening. But what are we talking about? We're talking about what do we do with school dropouts. And I asked him, how do you define school dropouts? Or those that do not complete the education system and go up to tertiary level education. Okay. And what is education? And he said, oh, just a thorough understanding of the 3 R's. And he said, what's that? Read, write, and arithmetic. Oh. Well, I told him, no wonder I failed. I can recognize R as the first letter in read. I don't see R in write, except after W. And I don't see R in arithmetic, except after A. And it's now, Minister, it's called mathematics, no longer arithmetic. They all laughed. And they said, but what do we do with those that do not go up the full progress of education? I said, well, we make them prime ministers. Then they looked at me and realized I qualified by their definition of a school dropout. And in that caucus that morning were 3 of my teachers who taught me at school. So to you, however you qualified to be here or didn't qualify to go on the mainstream of education, you are here for a brighter, better, and more impact-making future. This technical institute has a long and meaningful history. It was established by the government of PG through the Ministry of Education and supported by the People's Republic of China. And this institute was created to nurture young people who needed another pathway to a desired future. The administration was entrusted to Montfort Brothers of St. Gabriel in 1995, when I was Prime Minister of Fiji in the first term. And ever since that time, this place has been a home of learning, discipline, and transformation for the generations of students who've come through it. On the 19th of March, 1996, while I was still Prime Minister, this institute was blessed by His Grace, the late Archbishop Petro Matadha. Later that same year, on the 7th of November 1996, it was officially inaugurated by His Excellency the President, the late President, Ratu Sir Kamisese Mara. And since that day, Montfort has become more than a school. It has become a community of care, skill building, and fountain or font of hope for our young people right across Fiji. What makes Montfort special? What makes it special is its mission. This institute supports poor and vulnerable boys and girls from all backgrounds, Christians, Hindus, Muslims, from every corner of Vanua Levu and Tabeuni, even all the way from Viti Levu. Today, Montfort continues to uphold this inclusive vision. And of the 111 students currently enrolled in this institute, we have both boys and girls. The boys reside on campus here, while the girls attend as day scholars. They study, work, pray, and grow together, learning the values of respect, teamwork, and unity. Montfort provides two important kinds of training. First is the home training, where students learn discipline, character, development, personal responsibility, and social skills. They learn to live and work together as one family, respecting each other's differences. And second, it's vocational training, where students receive practical skills that can help them earn a living and support their families. These skills include cabinet making, motor vehicle mechanics, panel beating, carpentry, plumbing, block laying, and agriculture. Students also learn farming, fish farming, cattle, sheep, duck rearing, goats, poultry, and crop plantation. These are lifelong skills, life-supporting skills that build nations. And this year, 44 students will graduate, and soon they will graduate soon and sit for the FNU Class 3 trade test. To our graduates, I want to say how proud we all are of you and your achievements. You are change makers. Remember what I said about myself. You are community builders. You're going to be symbols of what is possible when education is inclusive, accessible, and practical. You remind us all that technical and vocational training is not a fallback position, a fallback option. It is a powerful pathway to employment, to entrepreneurship, to creativity, and to a better Fiji. This is why the government of Fiji is committed to supporting vocational institutions like Montfort Boys Town. You are not only training students, but you are also helping address the real national challenges, such as unemployment, skills shortages, social exclusion, and poverty. Every student who graduates from this institute represents not only personal achievement, but also family stability, restored dignity, and a stronger and more resilient Fiji. We hear your stories. We see your hard work. And we know that the skills you gain here will open doors throughout your lives. To our graduates, I urge you to remain committed to lifelong learning. Never stop improving your skills. Be honest, be humble, and be hardworking. Carry the values that you have learned here: respect, discipline, and unity into every workplace and every community that you will be a part of. I want to thank Montfort Brothers, the teachers, the staff, and the leadership of this institute. Your dedication, your patience, and your belief in these young people is truly inspiring. Fiji is stronger because of the work that you do. Congratulations once again to the graduating students, graduating class of 2025. May God bless you and your families, and may God bless Montfort Technical Institute. Now, Levu.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words of wisdom and encouragement. We sincerely appreciate your thought-provoking speech, and your exhortation will continue to inspire us in future. Nasarwa Levu. Our next item on the program will be certificate presentation. May I request Madam Ashani to assist in the presentation, and may I request our chief guest for the honor of presenting the certificates to our graduates. We will now begin with the automotive graduates. Altogether, there are 14 graduates in automotive. And the first one coming on the list is Daniel Barnes Naimbukan Nisa. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, Daniel Barnes comes from Matakunea village or settlement in the Tikina of Navatu, Lakanrobe. Second, we have Epeli Rasue. Epeli Rasue comes all the way from Navatu village, Kumbulau, Mbua. Next, Glenn R. Sam Manini. Glenn, ladies and gentlemen, comes all the way from Tongo village, Ngamea. Yosef Okolongata, not so far away, he comes from Jerusalem village down the road, along Turata. And next we have Israeli Tawake. Israeli Tawake Jr. hails from Naua village, Namuka. And all the way from Batukalo village, Obalau Lomaiviti, we have Cheremaya, Lomani, Naivalu. And down to the south, from Dangai village, Tambuka Levu Kandabu, we have Choape, Tinimbua, Tikomadidia. And up the northern western of Vanua Levu, from Nasau village, Nabakasingambua, we have Lasiasa Materuku. Limbirio Korimbai, John Alfred Veremalua. This guy, ladies and gentlemen, has got a long name and comes all the way from Lomonikoro village, Rewa. Then we have Luke Rawalai, who is the head of the school, who comes all the way from Tongo village, Ngamea Island. Manish Lal, ladies and gentlemen, comes from Buddha settlement, Savusavu, towards the airport. Next, all the way from Levu village, Monombalabu, Mainatulau, we have Ruben Iwanganitonga, Posavakandua. Second last for automotive, we have Samuel Tikolambasa Samranu. Lalay Nimbangata, Levu East, Takanrobe. And finally, for the automotive trade graduates, we have Veremo Sosi Namakandre. All the way from Nairukuruku, Naitasir, Idolo. So that's all for our automotive graduates. Our second batch of graduates are for the carpenter or building trade. First, we have Aquila Lawabere. This handsome guy comes from all the way from Nadondondro village, Levu East, Takonrobe. Second, we have Eliseo Madu, Weti Nasaumalumu. He comes from Nawi village, Vanua Mambudo, Takonrobe. Epeli Lelebono Kamikamida. Epeli hails from Somosomo village on the island of Taveuni. Epeli Paulo Raikuna. Epeli hails from Nukumbalabu village, na Savusavu. Eremasi Mbatisoba Wilson. Eremasi comes from Baktiba village, from Levu East, Takanrobe. Ifiraimi Tongayali. Ifiraimi comes from Nanduri village, Maduata. And up the coast of Buda Bay, Tukaves village, we have Iowani Tukubakalewa Beresa. And over on the other side, to the island of Taveuni, Galeni village, we have Iowani Bosailangi. I think Iowani is absent. Then we have Chone Mbanitakau from Aro or Tunuloa Unrobe. Joseph Penny Nakaunra Ngioniwasa. This guy, ladies and gentlemen, comes all the way from Ngau, Vandra in Ngau. Bengalomai. Then we back to Savusavu. From Nukumbalabu village, we have Junior Solomoni Turanga. Up towards the interior of Mba, from Bukuya, Nabosa, Mba. Okay. We have Moses Mbalendrokonroka, I believe is absent. The next is Moses Mbalendrokonroka Narambe. Also from Bukuya, Nabosa, Mba. Dolabina, Binaba Lebunjina. And all the way from Undu village, Kambara in Lau, we have up next is Nathanieli Lesumailangi Koroi Matuku. Next, back up to the interior of Mba, Bukuya Nabosa, we have Silosi Narambe. Stefano Tambua Naivaluone. Stefano, ladies and gentlemen, comes all the way from Karoko village to Noloa, Takonro. Tevita Ngauna Binaka. Tevita Ngauna Binaka hails from 90 village na Savusavu, Takonro. And after village of Puntongolo village, Korala, we have Tomasi Matakitonga. Williame Ririko Salase. Williamo hails from Nabukandongo village, Nanduri, Maduata. And finally for the carpentry trade, we have Walter Nelson Manuel. Mr. Manuel comes from Korobesi along the Licia Deva Road, Savusavu. So that's all for our carpenter general trade. Next batch are for the cabinet maker. We have 10 recipients. First, we have Apenisa Tusulu Tin Yarambukimbuki. Apenisa has come all the way from Vuna village. Tikina Vuna Tabeuni, the Count Robe. And we have Anare Foy Tumberi. Anare Foy Tumberi also comes from Tabeuni in the village of Lobonibonu. Filimone Alfred Bolau Matai. Also from Tabeuni, up Naselesele village. Mariana Grace Rokotobitobi. This lady has come all the way from 90 village na Savusavu. Michael John Ben. Michael John Ben. All the way from Tabuki village, Tabeuni. Then we have Mikael Sekope Takape Lengeua. Mika comes from Kotoma village, Ngamea Allen. And next from Nukumbalabu village, in Savusavu, we have Mitieli Mbarisavu. Yeah. Sekaya Fifita. Sekaya Fifita, ladies and gentlemen, has come all the way from Wono village on the island of Mode, Lau. And finally, for the graduates, from Bunibesi village, Levu East Account Robe, we have Suliasi Sowani Nakuro. Sorry, I've missed one. Kusotia Rafaele Modewanga. Rafaele Modewanga comes all the way from Nailo village, Tunolo, the Account Robe. During the year, the trainees were regularly assessed by the respective teachers through weekly, monthly, and termly exams. Besides these exams, we have also monitored their general behavior and conduct. Accordingly, we have selected the following to be the best in their respective trades, and the best trainee will receive a prize as a trophy and as a token for hard work and achievement. May I once again request our chief guest for the honor. And for the year one trainees, the best awardees. The best in automotive for the year 2025. Best in automotive year one, the award goes to Joseph Semi. Joseph Semi, ladies and gentlemen, comes all the way from Naui village, Mambudo, the Kaunrobe. Then we have the best outstanding in cabinet maker. Cabinet maker from Nasela Sele Tabeuni, we have Percy Delua. And finally, for the year one awards, we have Tevita Ntakuna from the building carpentry. Tevita, ladies and gentlemen, comes all the way from Nakawanga village, Koralau, Takonrobe. And for the second year awards, or the final year awards, for the year two, best in automotive. The best in automotive for the year two trainees, we have Choape Tinimbua, Tiko Maidina. And in building and carpentry, for the best award, we have Chone Mbanidakau. And in cabinet making or cabinet maker award, the most outstanding student for the Cabinet Maker 2025. The award goes to Michelle Savusavu. Yeah. And finally, for the most prestigious award, the ducks of the school of the Montfort Technical Institute for the year 2025. Montfort Ducks for 2025 is Michelle Savusavu. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, the Ducks Award is donated with a kind compliments to Gulab Das Limited Savusavu. Duman pa Savusavu Gulab Das. Thank you so much, our chief guest, for the kind presentation. At this juncture, may I request the school director to escort our chief guest from the stage before we proceed on with the next item, which will be Meke Entertainment. Dona mata meke chongor, dona nong kumai bibili, dona may bakatarachiko, may bakalanga unon danda benesing ni kuwa. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the moment with them. Pinaka.
Lingani kalok sangatos, lingani kalok sangatos, serenata, holy satalo. Me mandambelo manyor, oilwanata, atalo. Lingani kalok sangatos, lingani kalok sangatos, serenata, holy satalo. Me mandambelo manyor, oilwanata, atalo. None of me ever say
So you have one more maker to go. On stage. A combined dance. Ruangan na itong maker na mata ni Kuwa. Meron na ito na wakatayong yan ni. Pinak. Thank you so much, the group from Bibili, for the wonderful number displayed. Tapos sa talaman, tapakan dua. Binaka. We almost come to the conclusion of our program. And I request Chonem Banidakau to move. Thanks.
Make me wise and strong, that I may learn from life itself. Make me wise and strong, that I may learn from life itself. Consider everyone as my teacher, and never turn away from the light of your face. On behalf of the Brother Director, Brother Francis, members of the staff, and the graduate of this morning, I would like to say a few words of our deep-felt gratitude to you all. To you, Honorable Mr. Sitiveni Rabuka, Prime Minister of Fiji, we would like to say thank you for sparing your precious time in spite of a heavy schedule to be with us today. Your presence with us today made a big difference for us. Thank you very much, sir. We express our gratitude to all our distinguished guests, governmental, provincial, non-governmental officials, priests and religious, friends and well-wishers for being with us today. It is with a deep sense of gratitude and a deep sentiment that on behalf of the state stand before you, Brother GB, Director of Montfort Technical Institute Savusavu, and Brother Francis, the Home Superintendent, to express our thankfulness to you. As we are about to say due to the portals of this great and caring institution, we are already feeling nostalgia mingled with gratefulness to you, Brother GB and Francis. You nourished us physically, nurtured us spiritually and psychologically. You provide us security and comfort like a father, and cared for us tenderly like a mother. We would like to say thank you very much to you, the dedicated and advanced team of teachers. Your infinite patience and enduring hard work will not be forgotten. We thank the teachers who trained us. We lack words to express our gratitude to you all. We beg your pardon and forgiveness for our teenagers' mischiefs and immature behavior. They were done not intentionally, but they were the symptoms of our age group. Please pardon us. We thank you for the joy and sorrow, success and failure. We thank the friends who made things joyful. As we go out of this institute, may we be helpful at home and inspiring to those around. Our sincere thankfulness goes to our mamas in the kitchen and in the field who cooked our food and served us with tenderness and care. Thank you very much, moms. We have no appropriate words to thank our beloved parents and our kith and kin. It is you who are the cause of our being here. We are determined to show you our gratitude through our love and care. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, Mom. Finally, I thank each and every one of you who have graced this occasion to encourage, to support, to sustain us and to cheer us. And lastly and not the least, let us thank the Almighty God for all the numerous graces and blessings that He has showered upon us and on our institution. May His blessing be upon us all in the years to come. Thank you and have a live.
Thank you, Chone, for your great words of thanks. On the verge of this victorious occasion, I request everyone, may we all rise to sing the national anthem for our final salute and farewell to the graduates.
Amen.
Thank you all. Please be seated.